Hello, I am Prashanjit Dinkar.
My name is Samar Shrivastava.
Hello everyone, I am Rahul Akle.
In the last decades, farmers used old methods of irrigation like tube wells, mills, etc. These kinds of methods of irrigation uses excessive water and energy consumption. For reducing these both, we have made smart irrigation system in which we have used two soil moisture sensor which will significantly improve outdoor water efficiencies.
This we have used two soil moisture sensor which will measure the moisture content of the soil. If the soil is moisturized enough, it will turn the pump off, and if the soil will get dry again, it will turn the pump on.
The circuit of this project is like two soil moisture sensors are connected with relay and Arduino, and relay is connected with pump and soil moisture sensor. So relay work as an switch, thus it commands the pump to on and off, and soil moisture sensors are commanded with Arduino, that is microcontroller.